Hi, my name's Kate, and I want to thank you for supporting the Bobcat STEM Kits for the month of December. In this video, we're going to be making a balloon rocket. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put two objects about 10 feet apart, or at least as long as your string is. So I have two chairs, one right here and one right here. And I'm going to start by tying one end of the string to the object so that it doesn't go anywhere. Then I'm going to take, once it's on one side, I'm going to take the straw that I was given and put two pieces of tape on that straw. This tape is how we're going to make sure we attach our balloon to the straw. So now that I've got those two pieces of tape just sitting on top of my straw, I'm going to run the string down the length of the straw so it comes out on the other side. And this might take a little patience. Then what I'm going to do is pull the string all the way through the straw. So it's hanging, and I'm going to tie the string to the other side of the chair. Now make sure that it's really tight so you have a straight line all the way across. All right, now you're going to take your balloon and blow it up as big as you can without making it pop. And then pinch it with your fingers so that none of the air escapes. Now, those two pieces of tape that are on your balloon, or that are on your straw, you're gonna stick so they're on the balloon like that and like that. Now that you've got your balloon on its path, it's time to let it go. And it flies all the way across. And that is your balloon rocket. Thanks for watching.